Hey friends, this is Atif Opirval and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today we have some exciting updates regarding the eagerly awaited Bitcoin exchange traded fund. If you have been following the crypto news, you know that the approval of a Bitcoin ETF by the Securities and Exchange Commission has been a hot topic in the financial world. But before we dive into the latest developments, let's quickly go over the process. Both forms, the regular approval form and the 19B4 form, need the green light from the SEC before an ETF can start trading. However, it's crucial to note that for a spot Bitcoin ETF to be effectively approved, the 19B4 form is a must. We will definitely continue to this video, but before that, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it, and for daily trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've also shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. A recent statement from Scott Johnson, the general partner at VB Capital, has added an interesting perspective. He expresses skepticism, stating that he doubts an ETF approval will be issued before next week. According to him, unless the 19B4 applications are all clear and the SEC doesn't mind the simultaneous approvals, it seems like a bit of a stretch. Interestingly, there is a concern raised by analysts suggesting that Bitcoin ETFs could be rejected if the SEC decides they need more time. It's a reminder that despite the anticipation, regulatory bodies are meticulous in their evaluations. Now let's talk about the major players in the race for the Bitcoin spot ETF. There are currently 14 issuers vying for approval, including industry giants like BlackRock, Valkyrie, ARK Invest, Bitwise, and Fidelity. Each of these organizations is contributing to the growing excitement surrounding the potential launch of a Bitcoin ETF. As we approach the deadlines and navigate the complexities of regulatory processes, the crypto community is really on the edge of their seats, awaiting for this historic moment for approval of Bitcoin ETF. Now let's take a look at the live chart, and this is a daily time frame chart. And previously we have been following this rising wedge pattern. And after the breakout from this wedge, it was stuck inside this symmetrical triangle. And here we had a fake out, but the price line after the recent extreme sell-off re-entered the same triangle and tested the support of the same triangle. And now it is slightly moved above than this resistance of the triangle. At the same time, Bitcoin has also found another uptrend line support as well. And at the same time, it is also moving inside this rising channel as well. Now, if you take a look at the target for this triangle's breakout, then the target is here. That is approximately at $48,200. By the way, after that, the price has re-entered the same triangle, so we can expect that target can be from here, from where we again broke out the resistance, and the target can be almost there at $48,500. And in case of breaking down this triangle, the target to the downside can be here, that is approximately at $38,000. And over there, we have a lot of support. You can see previously for several days, this level has been working as a resistance, and now this level can again work as a support for the price line. And in case of breaking down this support of $38,000, the next support can be here at $31,800. If we switch to the weekly time frame chart, then we can see that this $31,800 was previously working as a resistance here and resistance here, and therefore again it can work as a support for the price line. And on this bigger picture, you can see that we have already broken out a very big falling wedge pattern, and the technical target for this falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $70,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.